Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather discussion of today, 19th June 2025. I am a forecaster in National Weather Forecasting Center of India Meteorological Department. Today I will be discussing about the weather in the previous week, as well as today I will be giving the overview and outlook of the weather in the forthcoming 2 weeks. Here we can see the last week what was the weather condition. In here first in the top panel we can see the heat wave condition. There we can see the northwest India, mainly over Rajasthan and surrounding parts of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. There was some heat wave. Otherwise the rest of the country did not experience any heat wave condition. Then next two is about the rainfall. First one is about the very heavy rainfall condition. There we can see some orange patches, and then next panel is about the extremely heavy rainfall. There are some red patches. So here we can see that orange and red patches are mostly covering the west coast and then Gujarat, then some parts of east MP, then west Uttar Pradesh, then Himachal, then peninsular India. Here we can see the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, except the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the southern peninsula is covered. And then there in northeast, extreme East India and northeast, here we can see also there was heavy rainfall too, extremely heavy rainfall. The extremely heavy rainfall mostly occurred over Sikkim and SHWB. And the distribution, if we see then right side that panel, the distribution in different scattered graph, there we can see red dots and orange dots are actually representing heavy to extremely heavy rainfalls. And then lower panels are actually giving the thunderstorm days. Here red are the having the most days experienced thunderstorm, and yellow shaded region experience a few days thunderstorms. Then due to that thunderstorm, what was the wind condition? That wind exceeding 60 km per hour. Actually here we can see the next panel, and then right panel there we can see the wind 40 to 60 kmph. So that means last week India experienced good rainfall activity, and due to that heat wave spell over north, northwest and adjoining central India continued till 15th June, but then abated due to thunderstorm activity and as well as advance of monsoon. Here, so what actually caused that? Two main weather systems, that is low pressure systems, one over Gujarat and another over actually Gangetic, West Bengal and neighborhood and Bangladesh neighborhood. So both of the low pressure system actually formed on 17th June, and then GWB, when Gangetic West Bengal systems became well marked low on next day, when 18th June, and these two systems actually the Gujarat system moved slowly northward nearly and reached up to east northeast Rajasthan, and then GWB system actually moved west northwestward initially, then northwestward, and today it is over northeast Jharkhand. So these two systems actually caused the main rainfall activity and also heat wave abatement. And due to that, if we see the advancement of monsoon took place, actually this advancement took place after the stagnation of nearly 18 days from 29th May to 16th June. And here the situation was like this, the advancement. Then during this week it advanced further, if we see, and it covered the remaining parts of Maharashtra, entire Gujarat state, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim, then Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and some parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. So it covered nearly huge area during this week. And due to that, here we can see that this week, if we see the rainfall map over subdivision, that blue shade and light blue shade, we can see that west coast, peninsular India, then Gujarat, some parts of Rajasthan, and then green shades are also there in this week, and that's why the overall rainfall activity is plus 11% from the departure from normal. And due to that, if we see the seasonal situation, it was actually red and red till last week, and it improved. Now red portion reduced. Now it is replaced by the blue, light blue or green. So this is the situation, and that minus 34% it was from the departure from normal in the last week. Now it is minus 11% only. So this was the only 1 week recovered the monsoon situation. And here this is week 1 week weather warning. Here we can see that very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall today is occurring over Konkan, North Konkan mostly, and then Gujarat region, and then it will continue from tomorrow also, that heavy rainfall activity over that region. And then due to other system, that heavy rainfall activity, very heavy rainfall activity is over Jharkhand, that will be continuing today as well as tomorrow. Then heavy rainfall activity will continue over northeast region during next 7 days nearly. And then we can see that the Bay of Bengal, now Gujarat systems actually became less marked, so that rainfall region is now not there from third day. But as the GWB system moved further northwestward, that we can see that the rainfall zone is shifting gradually towards East UP and MP, and then it is now occurring over mostly foothills or hilly region. And then again 5th day the system is again giving rainfall over western India and then central India due to another system. Here if we see that week-wise rainfall situation, that rainfall is likely to be normal to abnormal over central India, plains of northeast India, and Gujarat, Maharashtra, East India, west coast of India, and below normal over northeast India, southern peninsular India, except the west coast during the first week. And very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall will be occurring over Gujarat, North Maharashtra, West Bengal, Odisha today as well as and Jharkhand today as well as tomorrow. So, and heavy rainfall will continue over northeast India during next 7 days. So that is what already I told. And then if we see the week 2, that anomaly field, it is showing that isolated very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall may occur over Gujarat and Konkan, Goa, eastern India, central India. Heavy rainfall may also occur over western Himalayan region during some days of the week. Then overall weekly rainfall is likely to be above normal over central India, plains of northwest India, Gujarat, Maharashtra and East India, and it will be below normal where we can see the orange and red patches over remaining parts of the country. And if we consider the advancement of the southwest monsoon, then conditions are favorable for further advancements in the some more parts of Uttar Pradesh and some more parts of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Balchistan and Muzaffarabad during next 2-3 days. And subsequently also the condition will be there favorable again, further advancement into some more parts of Punjab and Haryana during subsequent 2-3 days. And if we consider the advancement, then next week, means in the beginning of the next week, means week 2, west monsoon will cover remaining parts of India. And if temperature, due to that, fall will be there 2 to 4 degrees centigrade in over Madhya Pradesh during next 5 days, and no large change thereafter, and no significant change over the rest of the country. And hot and humid condition will be there in isolated pockets of Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam and Rayalaseema, because we can see there that orange patches are red patches are there. And if we see the week 2, then fall will be there 2 to 3 degree maximum temperature in northwest India, and no significant change will be there rest parts of the country, and below normal over parts of country except east and northeast India where, or western Himalayan region where it will be near normal or above normal. And if we consider the cyclogenesis situation for next 2 weeks, So there will be no cyclogenesis, but the well-marked low pressure area which is there presently over northeast Jharkhand, that will be there for another next 2 days, and it will weaken gradually. And there will be also likely formation of an upper air cyclonic circulation over North Bay Bengal and adjoining West Bengal and Bangladesh region near the end of this week 1, and under that influence a low pressure area may likely to form over that region in the beginning of week 2. However, there is no such chance for the further intensification of the system. And this is the fishermen warning graphics over sea region, and fishermen are advised not to venture into the marked area where it is shaded. There mostly that is parts of Central and South Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal region. So that's all. For more weather information, please visit our website as well as use our weather apps, and take care of yourself. Thank you.